Welcome to the heart of real mining action, where massive machines, raw power, and precision come together to get the job done. Today, we're right on site with two heavyweights, the Liebherr 976 and the Caterpillar 6215B, working together to load Mercedes and MAN trucks with incredible efficiency. These excavators aren't just moving earth, they're performing a well-orchestrated industrial ballet, showing off speed, skill, and sheer strength. The Liebherr 976 is the first to take the spotlight. Its engine roars as the bucket cuts into overburden, lifting tons of rock and soil in a single scoop. The operator swings the cab with precision, guiding the bucket to land perfectly inside the waiting truck bed. One pass and the truck is halfway full. Two passes and it's ready to roll. Every movement is smooth, controlled, and precise, demonstrating why Liebherr machines are trusted worldwide for heavy-duty mining tasks. You can almost hear the hydraulics working perfectly in sync, powering through rocks that would challenge smaller machines. Next, the Caterpillar 6015B steps in, showing the raw brute strength that makes it a true powerhouse on any mining site. With an enormous bucket and a deep reach, it lifts material that smaller excavators would struggle with and deposits it cleanly into trucks with a controlled swing. Watching the Cat 6015B in action is mesmerizing. The boom rises, the arm extends, and the bucket releases its load into the truck bed with perfect timing. Each cycle is fast and precise, keeping the workflow continuous and production at peak levels. Trucks barely pause before rolling away, ready for the next load. The teamwork between these machines is remarkable. While the Liebherr 976 handles the first truck, the Cat 6015B prepares the next. Mercedes and MAN trucks line up like clockwork, engines revving and suspensions flexing under the heavy loads. Timing and coordination are key. If one machine slows, it can impact the entire operation. But here, everything flows seamlessly, a testament to skilled operators, smart planning, and reliable machinery. Let's break down the facts. The Liebherr 976 is built for precision and speed, able to handle dense material efficiently. The CAT 6015B, with its massive capacity, reduces the number of passes needed per truck, saving both fuel and time. Together, they maximize throughput, allowing mining sites to move more material in less time. Each bucket, each swing, each drop is calculated to ensure maximum efficiency and safety, making the operation look effortless even though it's physically demanding work. Watching these machines work also highlights the human skill behind the controls. Operators must consider truck positioning, bucket load, swing speed, and timing. A single miscalculation could lead to spillage or wasted time. But with experience, the operators make every motion precise, keeping trucks loaded fast and site production running smoothly. It's a perfect balance of man and machine working as one. As the day continues, dust rises, engines hum, and the site pulses with activity. Floodlights, alarms, and the shine of steel bodies at night transform the mine into a glowing stage of heavy machinery. Every load dropped, every truck filled, and every cycle completed tells the story of efficiency, power, and teamwork. By the end of the shift, the Liebherr 976 and CAT 6015B have moved mountains of material, demonstrating the true capabilities of modern mining equipment. Trucks are loaded, overburden is cleared, and the site keeps progressing efficiently and safely. These machines aren't just tools. They are productivity machines that push the boundaries of what heavy equipment can do. If you enjoyed watching these giants in action, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps bring more real mining action, powerful machinery, and industrial performance right to your screen.